Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us. And yesterday, we got to see some unexpected bullish move on gold, where gold made a high of 2522 and right now trading around 2518. So gold is trying to be bullish again, but our range of gold is still intact. Remember the range of gold that we have been discussing? 2470 on the downside and 2530 on the upside. So this is the range of gold and gold is inside the range only. And my dear friend, to not today is a special day because of NFP, non-firm payroll. My dear friends, we all know that NFP plays a very important role in forex trading, so please be careful at the time of news. As we all know, when the fundamentals or news dominate the market, okay, try to follow the trend of the market. Do not look for reversals because the levels do not work. So as a retail trader, we need to be flexible with the market conditions. As a trader, it is very important for us to know when to go with the fundamentals, when to go with the technicals. When the market will be dominated by the fundamentals or trend, if you stand against the trend of the market will just throw you out. Okay. And if you look at the market sentiment, we can see gold moves higher as the dollar and yields fall after another report shows a weak US labor market. Okay, so this is the ongoing market sentiment, but keep in mind, okay, do not try to predict the market. Okay, always remember hope. Hope is not a trading strategy. Okay, so do not hope that market will be going up, so I should take a position before. Market will be going down, I should take a position from before. No, hope cannot be a trading strategy. Okay, so let's get started. And my dear friends, when I'm not there, you can use your new best friend DotBee in your trading for live market analysis. You just need to select your preferred pair here and your preferred time frame, and you will be receiving live market analysis from the DotBee. DotBee is an AI powered chatbot that not only answers your question but also helps you with live market analysis so that you can take your decisions wisely and you can trade properly. And DotBee is very easy to use also. You just need to click here and the DotBee application will open. So you get a mobile view of DotBee where you can enjoy the live market and also the live market analysis from DotBee at the same time. Isn't it awesome? So feel free to check out DotBee, use DotBee in your trading. The link is in the description and the comments. So the number of trading opportunities are very limited for the day because when the newest session will start or when NFP will come out, again, these levels will not work. We need to follow the trend here. So the levels that we are about to discuss right now, okay, are not very reliable also because the reliable levels are far away. On the chart of gold, okay, if market surprises us with a big drop, then we can look for a good support around 2497 and 2491. These are the two good supports on the chart of gold where we can expect a good bounce. But as we can clearly see right now that volume is not present in the market and market's chances of coming down to these levels are very less. So let's not waste time over it. Okay, but if we uh, just look for some immediate levels, then we can see that we have some immediate trading opportunity around 2512 area, okay, or you can say 2513, where 2513 and then 2509. These are the two levels where we can look for a quick bounce as a day trader. Keep in mind these are minor levels. These type of levels obviously are not good levels, but when we are helpless, when we do not have anything to trade, then you can look for some quick buy opportunity around this area. But keep one thing in mind that if you're a beginner, if you're a new trader, then obviously you can skip trading for the day, observe the market during the NFP to gain some experience. But if you want to trade, okay, then you can look for some trading opportunities like this. But otherwise, okay, this is not advisable. Because we are traders, that doesn't mean that we need to trade each and every trade. We need to trade when the opportunity is right, when the market is in our favor. Okay. And if you look at the resistance, then you must be knowing that 2528 to 2532 is a resistance for quite some time. Market is unable to break the level for quite some time, but this time market should cross the level, because for the last 4 or 5 sessions, whenever market tried to break the level, market fail. We have too much liquidity around this area. I think market will try to break the level if market goes up. But the problem is that 2528, 2532 is still far away. Okay, but what will happen in this particular zone here? Around 2520, 2525. Okay, it is very dicey. Okay, in the group also today I mentioned that this is our danger zone. Okay, so if possible, try to avoid, because right now we can see market is going up, but volume is missing. So if market goes up like this, suddenly there may be a reversal, okay, or market may go up. So it, you can say that this is a anything may happen zone. Okay, so if you are looking for reliable levels only, if you're not a gambler, then you can avoid trading around this particular area. Personally, I will not trade today. Okay, during the NFP we have a live session. At the time of NFP, I will look for some opportunities, but before NFP, honestly speaking, I am not convinced, so I will avoid. If market surprises us with a big drop, then I'll be looking for buy around 2491, 2497. But I am not in a mood to trade around these areas. But again, I'm repeating, this is our anything may happen, so be careful. So the weekly closing is going to be very, very important. Okay, so tomorrow's video will be crucial for the coming week, because after NFP, the market's closure will be obviously important for all of us. So please be careful. Today is Friday, and as we all know, last couple of Fridays have been dangerous. So do not fry your account. Be a trader, not a gambler. Bye bye. Take care. You must be knowing that the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop is back again. I conduct a workshop in both Hindi and English language. दोनों language में ही होता है. It's a 7 days workshop followed by 1 month support, specially designed for those people who are struggling with the market, unable to make money for last couple of months and years. Okay. You can see it's a 7 days workshop. There will be 3 consecutive classes here. Okay, and then there will be 4 weekly sessions. These are the dates. You can see Hindi classes. These are the dates, English classes dates, and weekly session dates. But I have an announcement that you don't need to worry. You can join now also. Till the workshop, you'll be receiving free updates, analysis. And after the workshop, yes, you will be receiving the 1 month support that I always give. Okay, so you can join now also. You'll be receiving everything for free. And these are the topics that we will be dealing during the first 3 days. I have carefully chosen the topics. We won't be discussing about SMC fair value gaps that are available online. We will be dealing with the hardcore concepts that are necessary for trader to survive in the market. And after the workshop, you'll be receiving this stuff like the lot size calculator, very important. Okay, and trade plans. And as I said, 1 month support. In 1 month support, okay, you will be added to a WhatsApp group where you'll be receiving regular market updates, analysis, and we also have live sessions from time to time. And yes, we also have a community on Telegram where you can meet traders from all around the world. You can share ideas, ask questions. Okay, if you want to see how does the group look like, okay, just click here. Okay, I have a sample video here. Okay, you will just get a gist. And these are the topics of the weekly sessions. Okay, and all the classes are conducted over Google Meet, and due to time difference, many people cannot attend. So no need to worry, I record each and every session. Okay, and the best part is the fees, my dear friends. You can see only $20 or rupees 1500 for 7 days workshop with 1 month support. And trading is a journey. Trading takes time. 1 month is less sometimes, or most of the time. Okay, so if you're looking for personal sessions with me, if you're looking for WhatsApp support with me, then yes, you can also sign up for a semi-annual or lifetime. Okay, you'll be receiving all the things for the rest of your life. Semi-annual or lifetime is useful for those who are looking for a career in trading. Okay, and these are the payment methods. Once you are done with the payment, just share a screenshot to this WhatsApp number. I will add you to the group.